Teach you something. As someone who's been doing makeup for over a decade now on other faces and myself and online, I'm going to show you how to cover up an active breakout. To begin, start with an exfoliating toner pad. This one's from Innisfree. It's the Gentle Retinol Salicylic Daily Toner Pads. Work it in circular motions onto that textured blemish. You want to hydrate the skin. I'm using the Laneige Cream Skin Toner. My skin loves an oil, but if your skin doesn't, I highly recommend this Desi Pink Nectar Squalene Oil Serum Drops. It's like an oil and serum hybrid, so it doesn't leave you feeling super oily when you're done applying. If your skin can handle an oil, apply a little extra to that blemish. Again, trying to keep it really hydrated and not scaly or dry. A lightweight moisturizer across the entire face. This is half and half from Prequel. And a thicker cream just on those blemishes. I really like La Mer. Say what you want about it, I like it. If I'm already feeling like my skin looks textured and blemished, I'm not going to apply a full coverage across my entire face. I'm going to apply a skin-like foundation. For me, it's the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. I am shade 145 Light Cool, because I want my skin to look as flawless as possible, and then I'm going to go in with a higher coverage concealer on the blemishes. Now we go in with the heavy duty concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. This is the matte version, just on the blemished areas. And this is in my exact skin tone. And to keep the coverage, you want to pat in the concealer. I love this brush for that. This is the Hourglass Concealer Brush. Just pat right on top of that blemish and then blend out the edge into the rest of the skin, but keep patting right on top of the blemish. I need you to listen. This is Makeup 101. You cannot remove texture. It's always going to be there, especially a bump that you picked at. You can cover the color, but you can't remove texture. So the bump is going to be there and shine is going to enhance it, whereas mattifying this and setting with powder is going to make it a little less obvious. A matte powder, but one that is forgiving. I absolutely love, as you can tell, this Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Pressed Powder. Translucent medium. I also love a dense brush for packing on the powder, especially on that blemish. Tap off the excess and then just press right on top of that pimple. Makeup is fully done. What pimple? Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. See you later.